great pleasure to welcome you all to this year's prize-giving ceremony, a day of celebration, reflection and recognition, and becoming the UK's first female fast jet pilot. Please welcome Dr. Jo Salter.
But what you have to do is you have to step forward in it, and you have to have the courage to just go give it a go, whatever is happening. So grasp every opportunity, knock on the door of it, because that's how we live the life that we should be living.
It's been a pleasure to witness the way they care and support for each other, forming a close-knit and compassionate year group. So let me introduce them to you.